Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video I decided to kind of do an updated nighttime skincare routine since I have been experiencing some issues with my skin lately and I feel like my routine has changed quite a bit, so I thought it would be cool to just share that with you guys. So if you like skincare videos or if you just like seeing your girl, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. You already know, if you're not subscribed, we beefing, period. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure the notification bell is selected as well and set to all, so you get a notification every time your girl posts a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm just like so excited to film. I've been neglecting filming for a little while, but if you've seen my video, which was my get ready with me, your girl got a little emotional in that video, you know, talking about her skin and what's been going on and why I haven't been as consistent with my uploading and everything. So I'm gonna basically show you guys how I get unready face wise and how my routine has sort of changed. I still use one specific product, but I think I've kind of like stopped everything else in terms of skincare. Like I literally don't use anything on my skin. So we're gonna take these glasses off because we're about to take this makeup off. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck this behind my ear, right back there. Yeah, I hope my wig thing is not showing. Okay. All right. So, and I hope the lighting is okay. I kind of turned this light off. I feel like you guys can see me better. First thing I always do when your girl has a full face of makeup is my lashes come off first. The method I use, which I think it's super simple and easy, inexpensive, and it's important for you to take your lashes off like this because it will ensure that your lashes actually last, and it's just a better way of taking care of them. So I usually take a Q-tip and I wet both sides, and then I take one end and I'm gonna use that just to help have the water kind of like just help me take that right off. And then I'm gonna use the other side. This nail broke. I'm so pissed about that this morning. And then you take off the next. So once I have that done, lashes are off, I go in with my Neutrogena Hydra Boost. I actually really love this product. To be honest with you, I'm supposed to be checking all my products before they go on my face, and there's a specific website my dermatologist gave me, and I can basically just put in the name of products in there, and then it will tell you what ingredients are in the product and whether it's good or bad, and you can basically go based on your skin. So I haven't really checked that. I feel like that's gonna take me like a little while because I have like a lot of face products, but I'm still using this one because this is like the fastest way to take off my makeup. But as you guys know, I haven't really been wearing makeup, so I really haven't used it recently. But I'm gonna take that. I usually kind of like foam it up in my hand and then put it all over my face. I definitely should take off my earrings, but it's okay. And then I go over my eyes, under the chin, and then I'm just gonna wipe all of this off, right? This is pretty good in terms of your eyes. Like I don't have an issue in terms of it burning or irritating my eyes, so it's really good. So I'm gonna rinse and then I'll be back. All right, so I just took off my wig. It was just a lot easier. Put on my bonnet. So once I have once I go in with the Neutrogena makeup remover, I then go in with my Curology. Now I definitely have a Curology video on my channel, which I will link here if you haven't seen it. Link up here. But that process is a little different from what I'm doing now. Before, I was literally only getting the nighttime formula from Curology, and I was using that every night on my face. As of recently, because of all the breakouts that I have been having and everything, and it being so hard for me to pinpoint exactly what's causing it, I have literally like just stopped all products on my face altogether, and I've started using the trio. So basically it's this 3-step system. So it's the cleanser, then the nighttime routine, and then this is the moisturizer. So this is what I have been using on my face. I haven't been using anything else. So I'm gonna go in with this one. I usually just take a little thing of it and then just go over my face, massaging it in. I have my face brush that I usually use. That just helps me to get like a deeper clean, but I don't use that every day. I feel like my hands does the trick. So I make sure I get all in there. Of course, once you add water, it's gonna get more foamy, like so. And once I'm done, I rinse this off. Once that has been rinsed off, I then go in with my treatment. This is the most important step in the entire skincare process. This formula is the same as my formula in my video I made a few years ago. It has to be applied at night. And the good thing I like about this is if you're using this and you see that your formula somehow just isn't working anymore, or maybe you're getting more dry in a certain area or anything that's going on, you can always just let your provider at Curology know and they will change your formula. I've changed my formula twice. I was using the first one, which was working perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden when this breakout started, it's just the old formula wasn't working anymore, so I had to change the formula. So this is the new one. So just gonna take a few pumps of that. I usually just take a pump and a pump, put on this side, and then I just massage that in. I bring it all the way down to my neck, because when I break out, it literally goes all the way down my neck, as you can see. And the formula is definitely working, except for when it becomes that time of the month, which is my regular times for breakouts. So that's, you know, that's probably what this is right here, this new one that looks right here. Like when these new ones start coming up, it's usually because of that time of the month, but then they do go away. And then we're gonna go in with the last step, which is the moisturizer. So the instructions does say to put the moisturizer on top of the treatment to seal in and, you know, keep moisture and add moisture to your skin, you know, while the treatment work. I believe when I first got this when I first got the set, I used to do the nighttime treatment, but I never did the moisturizer on top. And that's just because I don't know why in my head I just kept thinking that moisturizer was just a daytime thing. So I'm starting to learn a lot more. When you get your kit, it comes with a card like this. Obviously it says Curology in the back. It comes with a card, which says love your skin every day, and on here is basically the instructions on how to use your formula. So my first step says cleanser, and it has these little symbols. I hope you guys can see it, which is a sun symbol and the moon symbol. Sun for the day, moon for the night. So it tells you cleanser should be morning and night, custom formula only night, moisturizer morning and night. So it does guide you, and I have this right on my glass, and I just follow that, you know. So obviously we have the moisturizer in, everything is all good, we're ready for bed. So this is your girl's new updated Curology routine. I love Curology. You can literally customize your shipments and have them come to you at your convenience depending on the options that they provide on there. I think I get mine every 30 days. It might be more than that, but if I'm like going through my formula and I see that I'm not like nearly done with it and my shipment's supposed to come in a week, I basically just delay it for another 2 weeks, or whenever I feel like I'll have enough time to finish the formula. So it's a great way to address your skin issues, all while, you know, getting a good product for your buck, and at the same time making sure that you're not excessively wasting your money or excessively getting product without finishing what you have already. So I really like them. I still believe they have the 14-day trial, so you can try it out and see if you like it and basically go from there. Everything in regards to the process is super simple. You just have to take some photos. It's gonna ask you some questions in regards to your skin concerns, and then you get contacted by a provider that they assign to you, and that provider will come up with a formula based on the photos and based on what you are trying to target, and they boom, make your formula. Super simple. And I have been using that formula now for a few years, and I really like it. Although your girl has been breaking out, I'm not gonna give up on it, because you know, could be a lot of factors into why the last formula didn't work. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, show you guys my updated routine, what I've been using. This is all I've been using on my face. If I'm not wearing makeup, I don't wear anything else except what you just saw. That's it. So yeah, your girl's gonna get ready for bed. As you can see, I still have my work clothes on because I literally went to do some errands with hubby. So we literally just got home, and right now it is 11:15 at night. Your girl is tired. I have work tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope I helped you guys in some way or another. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you use Curology, or if you used it before, or what you liked about today's video. I appreciate suggestions as well in the comment section of what you want to see next. If there's a specific product you want me to see me use, anything makeup related, doesn't have to be skin related. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, Christal_Greer. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.